Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding the exact outcome you need: demo, prototype, or investor pitch, and lock that goal now. Next, collect core assets, screenshots, sample data, logos, and a one-slide roadmap so you can assemble proof quickly. Once done, pick a 16:9 template with readable fonts and clear contrast. This saves endless design edits. Make sure to name files consistently and store them in one folder, because organized assets let you iterate fast and avoid late-night panic. You now shape the narrative. Open with the problem, follow with your solution, show the demo, present a roadmap, and finish with the ask. Aim for 5 tight slides. While building, apply consistent spacing. Use 24-32 PT headings and 14-18 PT body text so viewers read easily. Once visuals are placed, create a 30-60-second screencast or annotated screenshots. Practice transitions and annotate key interactions. Make sure to label metrics clearly, because clear data builds credibility and keeps judges focused. You finish by polishing. Unify icons, stick to one color palette, and compress images to under 200 KB so files load reliably. Then rehearse aloud 3 times, run the full 5-minute flow, and time each slide to tighten pacing and phrasing. Once confident, save both PPTX and an exported PDF. Test on the event machine. If something goes wrong, key troubleshooting is ready. Export a PDF and have a backup USB or cloud link. This avoids format or font problems at presentation time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.